Da-da, da-da, da-da. Hey, Elizabeth, I love your shark hat. I'm having so much fun with this. The eyes, amazing. I know you guys want to know how to do this, don't you? So we are so lucky that we have Elizabeth Peterson from Bada Boom Stickers here to join us and show us how to make this awesome shark hat.
So I wanted to share with you what the shark looks like so that you can see where we're building from. So I'm going to go ahead and place this over here temporarily. So this balloon shark hat actually builds up pretty quickly, and what you'll need is 4 gray 360s and 1 partially inflated 350 white balloon. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 balloons that are about inflated about 3/4 full, maybe about a palm's width high. So you'll take 1 balloon and twist a large pinch twist on that one. Take your second one, do another one, pinch this one. I usually like to pull the nozzle through, and so you have this. Then what you're going to do is cross them so that they overlap, probably about almost a body width, maybe not quite as much, or a little bit of a wide head. And you're going to twist those 2 together. Do the same thing on the other side. Give it a gentle twist. Oh, before I do that, you're going to twist a bubble here, squeeze it, and then do another twist into it so that you've got this. This is going to be attachment point for the dorsal fin, as you can see right here. So then what you're going to do is take it up to your head, give it a squeeze, and this is where you're going to size it to your head. And there's nothing really exacting about this hat. Oops, I think I tied that just a little bit too thin there. Squeeze it again. You're going to run this through so that it locks it together. You're left with that shape, and then twist that through again, slide that through so that locks it in place, and so you're left with this. Okay, then you're going to take another balloon, doesn't really matter which one, and you're going to fix it into 1 pinch twist, bring it around. This is going to be the lower jaw of the shark, and a little bit wider than the mouth itself, so you have some kind of a bend. Squeeze it out a little bit. Bring this here, wrap it around. You're going to take the rest of this, stretch it out a little bit so that it's longer than the bottom jaw. Wrap it around the other pinch twist. Secure it in there by wrapping around a couple times. And now you're going to do some shaping. Just bring that to a point for the chin and the nose. So you've got this. Then you're going to take your last balloon and again tie it into the twist. Squeeze it a little bit so it's a little bit soft. And one of the things I forgot to bring out is a little bit of tape, but it looks like we've got some tape there. You want to cut off this excess here. So what you have here is the teeth inside of the mouth, and you're going to shape it so that it almost matches up with the size of the upper jaw there. Now to secure that, I am using some double stick tape where I'm going to apply it to either side, the top or the bottom. And then you're just going to marry that up so that they touch. And that will help to keep the teeth attached to the upper jaw. Now we're going to add the dorsal fin. So you're going to just do a small bubble, loop it into this attachment area there. We're going to bring it up, attach that to the rear here, and then we'll do the shaping of the dorsal. So wrap that in there a couple times to secure it. And then I usually make it a little bit longer on the front side to the back. Now, to give this balloon some personality, we're going to attach the eyes, which really save you a lot of time. And so you just peel off the sticker, and I kind of look at it from the front, position it so that it's fairly close to the front so you can see a good view of it, and then take the other sticker. And these are very easy to reposition if it doesn't come out right the first time. So that looks pretty good. And then I just do a little bit of artwork on it. Put a couple little nose spots there. And then finish it off with the shark fin vents. And there you have your finished shark. So if you like this design, remember to subscribe, like, and comment to Sandy's Balloons.